So could the Ekster Finder Card be the perfect tracker for your wallet? It could be, but there's one thing that you need to know. So I love AirTags. I bought a 4-pack years ago and I still use them to this day. I only need them for my keys, my backpack, and maybe another bag whenever I go traveling. But there's a problem. I can't really fit them in my wallet. There are workarounds, but they're just not as good in my opinion. Ekster makes a wallet where you can actually put an AirTag on the back, but to be honest, it's just not my cup of tea. I'm not saying that it's bad, it's just not my thing, you know? And the other tracker cards that are out on the market these days don't really have the FindMy app compatibility. I know I don't need the FindMy app, but I really want it just because everything is in one place and it makes everything a whole lot more simpler. It's also a lot better than the other third-party apps that I've tried. So I was super excited when I found out that Ekster came out with their very own Finder card because it supports the FindMy app. Let's go ahead and unbox it really quick. So the unboxing experience is always very premium whenever you open up anything from Ekster. I do want to mention that Ekster did send me their Finder card for me to check out, but everything that I say in this video are my own thoughts and opinions as always. So yeah, it's basically just a tracker card that you keep on you, on your bag, but preferably on your wallet to prevent you from losing what you want to track. To be honest, there's not really much to it. It's super thin. It's the size of 2 credit cards, they say, but in my testing, it's like more 2.5. But it's a very tiny difference. It's very minimal too. You got the branding on the front, you got the little charging area on the back, and also a button. You can check out all the features on their website, but it's basically IPX5 water resistant, has a 6-month battery life, and it all comes in this super thin form factor. If you own any of the Ekster wallets, then you'll have no problem fitting it inside, but the current wallet that I'm rocking is the Reform RE02 card holder, which is this wallet right here. I absolutely love this thing. I just put it inside one of the slots, close it up, and it's still super thin. I love it. But you may be asking yourself, why FindMy? Well, if you're deep into the Apple ecosystem like I am, then you'd want all of your devices in one place. That also means that I don't have to download a third-party app. And if you're familiar with the FindMy app, there's no learning curve, and plus it's an app that you already know you can trust. But here's what you've been waiting for, that one little thing that it's not necessarily a drawback, but it's something to take into consideration, especially if you're like me, who likes everything to be charged with one cable. You probably guessed it, it is the charging cable, or how this thing charges, but hear me out. This thing is so thin that you wouldn't be able to put in any sort of charging port, so that's why it has this like little magnetic charging system here. So yeah, basically it hooks on, it's magnetic, and it's this cable, so it's proprietary, but there's really no workaround because it's that thin. So make sure to not lose this thing, but I'm pretty sure it's not a big deal. You might be able to get a replacement on the website if you contact them. Another thing that isn't really a downside, but you can't really do that locate thingy where you play that game of hot and cold with your tracker, but the ringer in this thing is more than loud enough to find your lost wallet. So the question that is begging to be asked is this thing worth it? It's definitely one of the more expensive tracker cards out there on the market, but for good reason. Getting FindMy compatibility on a third-party app, I imagine, wouldn't be cheap at all, so the price is justified. But I definitely think it's worth it. If you or someone you know is prone to losing their wallet all the time and you want a tracker card instead of an AirPod, and if you want the FindMy app compatibility, then this is the way to go. I haven't really found any other tracker cards that support FindMy. So if you want that extra peace of mind, this thing is a no-brainer. If you are interested and you want to help support the channel, please hit up that affiliate link in the description. Thank you so much, I really appreciate it. But if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to check out this review on one of the Ekster wallets. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.